Have you ever heard about the stock market? It's a place where people buy and sell small parts of companies called stocks. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company. The value of stocks can change based on how well the company is doing, and other things happening in the world. People who invest in stocks use different tools to help them decide which stocks to buy and sell. This can include reading about the company, looking at its financial statements, and checking what's happening in the economy. It's important to remember that stocks can be risky, and you can lose money if the value of the stock goes down. But over a long time, stocks have usually given a better return than other types of investments like savings accounts. So if you're interested in investing in the stock market, it's a good idea to learn more about it and do your research. Thanks for watching our video on the stock market. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might also be interested in learning about investing. Together, let's build a community of informed investors.